Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about some areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $10.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $10.50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of that consolidation area right around $9.80. So again, near term wise, $10.50 and $9.80 are going to be the two key levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1050 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as resistance levels and where the sellers are, nothing complicated here other than the fact that the party stopped today right up around 1125. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels, at least in my opinion, are not really on the top of the priority list. Right now, I think top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and establishing higher bases, because as long as higher bases begin to be built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.